Hi guys, I want to ask you a question. Are you an introvert, which is you're not feel comfortable to have a conversation with people, or you're not really like to chat with people, but at the same time you want to make money online? So if you are introvert just like me, because I really don't like to have a conversation with people, I can hold the conversation well because I have no idea what to talk with other people. So if you are introvert and you want to make money online, trust me, this is gonna be the very best jobs for introverts. And stick with me until the end of this video because I also going to drop you a cool bonus that going to help you to double up your income. Because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 websites that allow you to make money online. So that is why I said this is going to be best jobs for introvert video. So stick with me. Before we start, if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Zaidi Mustafa. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of cool method and strategy and tactics how to make money online. And consider subscribe if this is your first time, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, because that way, by doing that, you're not gonna miss every time I upload my new video. So without further ado, let's dive right into our content. So this is the first website that I talk about, which is Transcribeme. So what it does is actually help you to make some supplemental income, make money online by transcribe a file, a video file or an audio file. So according to them, they claim that they is actually one of the highest paying transcribe website that exists on the internet land. So they're gonna pay you as low as 79 cent dollar per minute. So I would say, yeah, from my observation, I think this is one of the most highest paying transcription job, equal to the another website that I'm about to share with you right after this website. So 75 cent per minute is pretty decent amount of money for transcription job. Okay, so just want to do quick overview. So as you can tell, okay, this is also a trusted website. As you can see, they have been featured on Oracle, Salesforce, even Facebook, partners, Genesis, and Pandora, and so many different big websites. So it is pretty legit company. You can rely on this website to make some supplemental income. So if you are interested, let's click on the join as transcriptionist. Just click on the orange button over here. So I'm going to show you the FAQ, so how everything's work and how you're going to get paid and etc. So just click on the FAQ tabs. So this is how does it work. So Transcribeme use a crowdfunding system that works like, a client is going to submit their file. So the file is going to be either audio or video file. So obviously you're going to need a set of headphone or earphone to transcribe if the file is audio, but either audio or video, you still need either headphone or earphone to hear it properly, right? Because you're going to transcribe, you're going to type all the word that you hear. So also right after you transcribe, they're gonna send your file to the QC to check the quality and etc. So once they approve your file, then they're gonna send it to your customer and you get paid. So how to join if you're interested to make money online with Transcribeme? Just click on this link, and then you can fill out some simple form, very straightforward form, and then you can get started. So what is the requirement right after you register? What you need to do next is take the English exam, which is located on the exam tabs. Once you pass this, you will hear from us within 2 weeks. All right. So obviously you're gonna need to understand English, because all the works that are available on Transcribeme is gonna be within English. All right. You have to understand. You have to understand English. You have to know how to write a good grammar, because sometimes all the people that sending all the file, maybe they are actually from a different country. Maybe they are not from United States of America. Maybe their English is a bit not really good, so you have to help them, right? You have to help them to rearrange all the words in English. So you have to know how to write in a very good grammar and the right spelling and etc. So that is how it works. And also they're gonna pay you via PayPal. So you have to have a PayPal account. So if you haven't yet signed up already, just head over to paypal.com and link up your credit card or your debit card. Is pretty straightforward, right? So if you have any question, just contact the training by fill up the form and then just type in whatever question that you might have, right? So that is the website, the first website. And the second website for best job for introverts is called Rev.com. So this is Rev.com, and this is some of the services that are available here. Transcription, you can be a transcription, caption, and foreign subtitles. So perhaps you are actually coming from, maybe you're from China, or you know some other language beside English that you could transcribe to English, and you could also take this job, right? So it's pay relatively high, from $3 all the way up to $7 per minute, which is pretty decent amount of money for some supplemental income. Okay, so this is all the services that are available here, but I want to show you. So it's also has been working with a lot of company, the New York Times, OCBS, and etc. So it's pretty legit company. So just click for the freelancer. I'm going to show you what is the requirement and etc. So click on the freelancer. You're going to land over to this page. Sorry, my internet connection is not very good right now. So if you're interested to make money online with this website, just fill up this form: first name, last name, and your email address and your position. So this is the thing. So the position, either you want to be a transcriptionist or captioner, so it's up to you. And so this is all the benefit if you want to work with this company, get paid weekly. Also, you're gonna need a PayPal account. So this is the job available by the transcriptionist or captioner. So let's try to click on the transcriptionist. So get paid weekly, send via PayPal. The contractor has been working with this company, Rev.com. Average earning for them is $245, and the highest, the top monthly earning is $1,495. I think $1,400 is pretty decent amount of money, guys, for only work from home. You have your own time, you don't have to report to anyone, you know, as long as you can type. And of course, obviously, you have to have an internet connection, a good internet connection, and a laptop, and also a headphone, because you're literally going to listen a lot of a file in order to transcribe it into written form, right? So first step is sign up and get approved and choose the available transcription job and get paid weekly via PayPal. And one thing I want to show with you is also require you to sit a test for English test, and only if you get approved with the test and you are able to work with Rev.com. Alright, so both of the website require you to sit a test, because they really wanted to take a good care of their brand name, because if you are not able to deliver the quality job to their clients, so their brand name is going to affect it, right? So that is why they need to know whether or not you are able to write good English or not. Okay, so our third website is called iWriter.com. So head over to iWriter if you're interested to make money with this website. So this website is actually slightly different from the other two that I just showed you before this, because this is actually article or content written website, right? So you're literally going to write an article or a blog post or even an ebook. There's a lot of people actually hire iWriter contractor to help them to write an ebook, right? I also have some experience working with a contractor from iWriter, which is I need an article for my affiliate offer. So I land over to iWriter.com and hired some people who are able to write good content, good article. Some of them is 1,000 article and some of them is 1,200. If I'm not mistaken, I had already ordered like 15 article, and all the contractor is a really good writer. So this is all the benefit if you are able to, if you want to work with iWriter, build your own client base, earn up to $80 per 500 words once promoted up the rank. Write as much or as little as you want each day, and choose the topic that best match your background. All right, so you literally going to have an option. So whatever niche or whatever topic that you think you might be interested in to join, you can just choose in the dashboard in the iWriter once you sign up, right? So that is our third website. So now I'm going to reveal to you the bonus. So stick with me. Like I told you, if you stick with me at the end of this video, I'm gonna be reveal to you the bonus, and the bonus is typing.com. All right. So what is this website is all about? This is actually a kind of like a practice website for typing. So you're going to learn how to type fast and how to type more accurate. All right, they're going to teach you, they're going to share with you all the tips here. They are also have a different level: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So let's see the advanced. I'm going to share with you some sample. Click the advanced and start, and let's see how it's look like. All right, so we land over to this page and just click continue. Okay, I'm going to set a test. So okay. Oh, so guys, obviously my typing speed is really terrible. So maybe you are way more better than me. Maybe I'm not qualified to, you know, to make money with all the website that I just share with you. Okay, sequence. So guys, if you are really serious to make money with all the website that I just showed you, you can head over to this website to get a test, you know, how fast that you can type, because I think it is also important, because that is also going to dictate how many words that you can type per minute, and it's literally going to determine how much money also you can make, right? So I'm not gonna finish this test. So I think that's all for this video. I hope you got tremendous value, so I also hope that all the 3 websites that I just shared with you going to help you to make money as an introvert, to make money from the comfort of your home, to make money, especially to make money online, because you literally don't have to meet people, don't have to go outside wasting your time around, and with all this website you literally can type, can transcribe article to type article and make money online from your home. All right, so don't forget to click the subscribe button if you interested to watch more videos just like this, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification as well. So I think that's it, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.